So, you have got a brilliant business idea, and you want to start it with your partner. Maybe it's your brother, sister, best friend, or a colleague. But you are wondering, how do we start a business in Nigeria legally without losing our hard-earned money? Don't worry, you are in the right place. In this video, we will explore how to start an LLC, limited liability company, with your partner here in Nigeria. We will walk you through the process step by step, giving you money-saving tips to ensure you don't break the bank. By the end of this video, you will have the confidence to register your business and get it up and running smoothly. Welcome to Fahtel Growth Tips, your ultimate hub for personal growth, wealth-building strategies, and unforgettable travel adventures. First things first, what exactly is an LLC, or a limited liability company? An LLC offers something super important called limited liability. What does that mean? In simple terms, it means your personal assets, like your house, car, or savings, are protected if something goes wrong in the business. If your company owes money, creditors can't come after your personal belongings. Only the business's assets are at risk. So, if you and your partner are worried about losing everything if the business fails, an LLC gives you peace of mind. One big benefit of an LLC in Nigeria is that it gives you flexibility in managing your business. You and your partner can decide how you want to run things. Both of you can be actively involved in the day-to-day management of the company, or you can appoint someone else to manage the operations for you. This is great because it allows you to customize your business structure based on your strengths. If you are better at business strategy and your partner is good at managing operations, you can divide roles to suit your strengths. Now, let's talk about something that scares a lot of entrepreneurs, taxation. But guess what? With an LLC, things are actually simpler than you think. Nigeria uses a pass-through taxation system for LLCs. What does this mean? It means your company's profits or losses go straight to your personal tax return. This way, you avoid the headache of double taxation that happens with larger corporations. No need to file separate tax returns for the business and yourself. Simple, right? You will only be taxed once, as you and your partner report the business's profits on your individual tax returns. One of the biggest advantages of an LLC in Nigeria is that there are fewer formalities compared to big corporations. You don't need to deal with overwhelming paperwork, multiple board meetings, or complicated compliance issues. This gives you and your partner the freedom to focus on what really matters, growing the business. You only need to submit annual returns and update the Corporate Affairs Commission, CAC, if there are major changes in the business. Here is something else that makes LLCs in Nigeria attractive: ownership flexibility. You can start your LLC with just the two of you, or you can bring in more partners as your business grows. For example, you can start your fashion business with your sister, and later add an investor or another sibling to the mix. The LLC structure can easily adjust as your business expands without needing to change the whole company setup. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Okay, now that you know why starting an LLC is such a good idea, let's get into the real deal. How do you actually start an LLC with your partner in Nigeria? We will break it down step by step, so grab a notepad or bookmark this video. First things first, you need a unique name for your business. Your LLC's name must include the term limited or LTD. You can't just pick any name. It has to be different from existing business names already registered with the CAC. Head over to the CAC's official website to conduct a name search. This ensures that your chosen name is not already taken. You will also have to pay a small fee for the name reservation. As at the time of making this video, name reservation costs 500 naira. But note that, you will pay an additional charge on remitta. Once the CAC approves your business name, it's reserved for 60 days, giving you enough time to complete the registration process. Also, note that you must register on CAC website as an agent, which is free, before proceeding with the name reservation. Alternatively, you can pay any registered agent to do it for you. Step 2. Designate a registered agent. Next, you will need to designate a registered agent for your LLC. This is someone who will receive official government correspondence and legal documents on behalf of your company. This can be one of you, your partner, or a professional service. A lot of people prefer handling it themselves to save money, but you need to make sure that person is reliable and organized. Step 3. File your articles of association. This is where things get official. You will need to file your articles of association with the CAC. This document contains basic information about your business, like the business name, address, and names of the directors, you and your partner. Now, this might sound intimidating, but it's not too complicated. The CAC has moved a lot of the process online, so you can complete this step from the comfort of your home or office. Just ensure all the details are accurate before you submit the form. The filing fee for this varies depending on your share capital. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not legally required in Nigeria, it's smart to create an operating agreement for your LLC. This document outlines the ownership percentages, roles, and decision-making processes between you and your partner. It helps avoid misunderstandings and conflicts down the road. Think of it as a business prenup. Who is responsible for what? How will profits be shared? What happens if one partner wants to exit the business? These are important details that should be sorted out early. Step 5. Obtain a tax identification number, TIN. Next, you will need to get a tax identification number, TIN, for your LLC. This is essential because it's what the Nigerian government uses to track your business for tax purposes. The good news? You can apply for a TIN online through the Federal Inland Revenue Service, FIRS, portal, and it is completely free. Just make sure you fill in the correct details. Step 6. Register for taxes. In Nigeria, there are various taxes that your business may need to pay, depending on your industry and location. These include value-added tax, VAT, company income tax, CIT, and withholding tax. Once you have obtained your TIN, you can register for these taxes with the FIRS or the State Inland Revenue Service, depending on where your business operates. To keep your business finances separate from your personal finances, you will need to open a business bank account. This is crucial for managing your money and maintaining proper financial records. Step 7. Open a business bank account. Many Nigerian banks offer special packages for SMEs, so shop around and compare the services offered by banks like GT Bank, Zenith, Access Bank, and others. You will need your TIN, certificate of incorporation, and other documents to open the account. Step 8. File annual returns. Once your business is up and running, don't forget that you will need to file annual returns with the CAC. This keeps your company in good standing and ensures that you don't run into legal issues later on. Mark your calendar. Failing to file your annual returns on time can result in fines and even penalties that could slow down your business growth. And there you have it. In just 8 steps, you can go from idea to reality with your very own LLC. Starting a business with your partner doesn't have to be a headache. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to creating a successful business and, more importantly, protecting your personal assets. What's next? Start brainstorming your business name, reserve it, and take that first step. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with just one step. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who is ready to start their own business. Don't forget to follow Fahtel Growth Tips for more tips on personal growth, business strategies, and wealth building ideas. Have any questions about registering your business with the CAC? Drop them in the comments below, and we shall be happy to help. Before we wrap up, let's tackle some frequently asked questions about starting an LLC in Nigeria. Question 1. How long does it take to register an LLC with the CAC? If you follow the process carefully and submit all the required documents, the CAC typically processes registrations within 2 to 3 weeks. However, some registrations may take longer due to errors or delays. Question 2. How much does it cost to register an LLC in Nigeria? The cost of registering an LLC varies depending on your share capital. For a company with a share capital of 1 million naira or less, the registration fees are around 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira. Question 3. Can I register an LLC online? Yes. The CAC has moved a lot of its services online, which makes the process faster and more convenient. You can submit most documents through the CAC's online portal. Now it's time to get started. We will see you at the top, as you launch and grow your successful business.